Great morning. Saan pupunta si Janena? PE Day. School. Ingat dito tayo sa ingat sa lakad.
Daddy, I want a boy.
You want a boy? Why?
I want a boy's school.
Then, are you happy today? Because it's PE Day. Aral Tagalog, ha? Ha? Huwag mong huwag lumutin yung name tag.
Daddy, why they red and
Ha?